Toyota CEO just announced something that arguably no other major automaker has dared to attempt in the modern era: bringing a genuine Kei Truck to the American market. If you have been completely priced out of the new truck market and feel like affordable, practical pickups disappeared decades ago, you need to prepare yourself for a massive storm. Because this news isn't just about affordability. It is about completely changing the paradigm of what a work vehicle should be. Let's talk design. The Daihatsu Hijet has been an absolute workhorse in Japan since 1960, going through 11 generations of constant refinement and improvement. And now, thanks to recent shifting policy changes, this compact hauler is arguably about to make its official American debut. While other manufacturers are busy chasing luxury features, massive touchscreens, and expensive proprietary technology, this truck takes the complete opposite approach. It prioritizes pure function, extreme durability, and shock-inducing affordability in ways the American market hasn't seen in decades. Here is what makes this situation particularly interesting for us. Daihatsu operates as a wholly owned subsidiary of Toyota, which means this small pickup could easily arrive on our shores wearing Toyota badges instead. That simple branding shift would provide instant market recognition and confidence among buyers who already trust the Toyota nameplate implicitly. The truck's design philosophy centers entirely on maximizing utility within strict dimensional constraints, resulting in a classic cab-over layout that positions the driver directly above the front axle. Think about the nightmare of backing a traditional full-size pickup into a tight loading dock or maneuvering around heavy equipment in a crowded warehouse. The cab-over design eliminates the long hood entirely, giving drivers a completely unobstructed view of what is directly in front of the bumper. There is no more guessing where the front end sits or relying on a spotter outside to guide you into position. The exterior follows what engineers call a tough functionalist approach. There is absolutely nothing here that doesn't serve a specific purpose. Recent updates have brought modern LED lighting options and refined aerodynamics to the platform, but the overall shape remains unmistakably utilitarian. Styling takes a back seat to raw capability, which is exactly what working buyers actually need. But looks don't mean much if the truck can't fit where you need it to go, which is why the actual measurements tell the real story. Let's look at the dimensions, because this is where things get fascinating. The Hijet measures exactly 133.7 inches in total length and 58.1 inches in width. For context, that is roughly the size of a subcompact car, yet it hauls cargo like vehicles twice its footprint. The height varies by configuration, starting at 71 inches for standard models and stretching up to 74.2 inches in the high roof and jumbo variants. The wheelbase sits at 74.8 inches, delivering a turning radius of approximately 11.8 feet. Anyone who has tried to turn around a full-size truck on a narrow farm road knows the struggle of performing multiple-point turns. This truck eliminates that frustration entirely. It navigates tight job sites, narrow warehouse districts, and cramped parking situations that would leave conventional pickups completely stuck. But here is where the cab-over design really pays off in dividends. By placing the driver above the front axle instead of behind a long hood, engineers freed up maximum space for the cargo bed. Standard configurations provide over 6.3 feet of usable bed length. That is genuine hauling capacity, not the abbreviated 5-foot beds found on many massive crew cab pickups today. The bed floor sits just 26 inches off the ground. If you have ever spent a day loading heavy bags of cement or materials into a high-riding truck, you know this lower height makes a tangible difference in physical fatigue by the end of a shift. Furthermore, all three sides of the bed drop down independently, transforming the truck into a completely flat platform. This allows forklift loading from any angle and accommodates oversized items that simply wouldn't fit in a conventional pickup box. The jumbo cab models do drop to 5.4 feet of bed length, but they compensate with a clever pass-through that extends the usable length to 68.9 inches for long materials like lumber or PVC pipe. Of course, all that cargo space is pointless if you can't work comfortably for an entire shift. So, let's see what is waiting inside. The interior design of the cab comes in multiple configurations, each targeting specific use cases. Standard models focus on essential functionality, while high-roof versions add critical vertical clearance for taller operators or those wearing hard hats. The jumbo cab extends rearward, creating enough space for reclining seats and significantly reducing fatigue during extended shifts. The entry height sits at a remarkably low 16.3 inches, and the doors open at a wide 67-degree angle. For delivery drivers making dozens of stops per day, that low step-in and wide door opening prevents the accumulated joint wear that comes from constantly climbing into elevated cabs. Inside, the design emphasizes durability over luxury. Dashboard surfaces are built to withstand years of hard commercial use, with materials chosen specifically for longevity rather than soft touch appeal. Storage solutions include open trays sized perfectly for clipboards and mobile devices, dedicated cup holders, and an overhead shelf in the upper trims. These aren't premium luxury features. They are practical accommodations for real people who work from their vehicles. The jumbo cab brings the most substantial comfort upgrades. Driver seats slide 5 inches longitudinally, while passenger seats offer 4 inches of adjustment. Headroom accommodates operators up to 6 feet 3 inches tall, even while wearing protective headgear. Higher-end models introduce digital integration with screens ranging from 6.8 to 9 inches, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Daihatsu Connect telematics. For business owners managing multiple vehicles, these systems allow for remote monitoring of vehicle location and performance. But a comfortable cabin doesn't matter if the truck can't handle the actual work. Which brings us to what is powering this compact hauler. Under the front seat sits a 658 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine designated as the KFV. This unit produces 46 horsepower at 5,700 revolutions per minute and 24.25 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Now, those figures sound modest until you remember the truck weighs less than a typical crossover and is geared specifically for low-speed hauling. The four-wheel drive system operates electronically with 3 distinct modes to handle different conditions. Two-wheel drive powers only the rear wheels for maximum fuel efficiency. 4WD Auto monitors wheel slip continuously, engaging the front axle automatically when traction drops. 4WD Lock provides a fixed 50-50 torque split for maximum grip in deep snow or mud. Regarding trim levels, the lineup starts with the standard trim, featuring manual air conditioning, power steering, and halogen headlights. The Agricultural Special variant adds a rear differential lock and heavy-duty 4-leaf rear springs supporting higher loads in rural applications. An oversized LED cargo light comes standard on this model, recognizing that farm work doesn't stop at sunset. High roof models extend cabin height while adding overhead storage. The Extra trim introduces power windows, power folding mirrors, and keyless push-start systems. This grade targets small business owners using the truck as their primary daily driver. The Jumbo Standard and Jumbo Extra represent the top-tier configurations. Jumbo Extra includes LED headlights with adaptive driving beams and exclusive color options like fire quartz red metallic. Specialized configurations extend well beyond simple flatbeds. The Dump Series trucks feature reinforced hydraulic lifting mechanisms and heavy-duty steel beds for construction applications. The deck van combines a 4-door passenger cabin seating 4 people with a small open bed in the back. Refrigerated and freezer models serve the food delivery industry, while lift-equipped versions handle heavy equipment loading. Safety hasn't been ignored either. Smart Assist 3 safety systems come with higher trims, utilizing twin stereo cameras to identify vehicles, pedestrians, and lane markings. The system includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Vehicle stability control and traction control come standard across most grades. All those features and configurations sound impressive, but none of it would matter without such an attractive price tag. The timeline for American availability looks surprisingly aggressive with regulatory approval in place. Initial units are expected to reach dealerships within the next 2 to 3 years. Toyota's involvement could accelerate that process, particularly if the company decides to rebadge the Hijet for better market recognition. Pricing is where this truck becomes truly revolutionary. In its home market, the Hijet sells for approximately 1.02 to 1.53 million yen, depending on the configuration. That translates to roughly $7,000 to $11,000 at current exchange rates. Compare that against the current market reality. Full-size trucks now routinely exceed $50,000 in popular configurations. Mid-size models start around $35,000. Even compact pickups begin near $30,000 and climb quickly with options. The Hijet arrives at a third of that entry price, creating a completely new segment below anything currently available. For contractors trying to add a second or third truck to their operation without financing that rivals a mortgage payment, this price point removes the barrier entirely. The value proposition extends beyond the purchase price. Maintenance costs remain remarkably low thanks to simple mechanical design and proven components. The KFV engine uses a timing chain rather than a belt, eliminating a common service expense. Routine maintenance intervals run every 3,000 miles with typical costs between just $200 and $400. The Daihatsu Hijet represents something the American truck market hasn't seen in generations. A return to the fundamentals that made pickups indispensable tools rather than luxury statements. With its compact 133.7-inch length, 76. 4-inch cargo bed, tight 11.8-foot turning radius, and proven engine achieving nearly 39 miles per gallon. This Kei Truck delivers genuine work capability in spaces where conventional pickups simply can't operate. Whether it arrives wearing Daihatsu or Toyota badges, the $7,000 starting price creates an entirely new segment, making it accessible to small business owners, contractors, and farmers who have been completely priced out of the new truck market. The question moving forward isn't whether demand exists. It's whether Toyota can import enough units to satisfy the thousands of buyers who have been waiting decades for exactly this solution. But Toyota's pickup expansion won't stop there. If you would rather go for something bigger but still super affordable, then you definitely want to check out our video about the Hilux Champ. With its affordability and unmatched flexibility, this is going to be another Toyota that changes the way we look at pickup trucks forever. Thanks for watching.